back with a new topic of Introduction to HTML. This is a chapter 5 of class 8th. So let's start with the introduction of HTML. What is HTML? The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext means it is used for linking various web pages. You can interlink all the web pages with the help of linking. Second word is markup. Markup means you can highlight the text by underlining it with different colors. And the language is the mode of communication between the web pages. So HTML has its own rules and syntax. So we will start with the HTML tags. Before I will start with the HTML tags, I just want to tell you there are two types of tags. One is your container tag and the second one is empty tag. Container tag, which is compulsory, you have to close all the tags. Like if I will say HTML, so it means this is your opening tag, and when you have to close this tag you have to put this backslash. So किसी भी command को जब आपको बंद करना पड़ता है, that is called container tags. But there are some commands which you don't have to close, like BR, which you don't have to close. BR is break, to give the line break. So BR you can use and you don't have to close this tag. So this is called empty tag, when you don't have to close any tag. Next one more tag is there, which is again a part of empty tag, that is again called HR, to give line. So we will start from the beginning, and all the commands which you will write in that, you will write inside this greater than and less than symbol, which is called tag. When you will write anything inside this less than and greater than tag, that will become your command, and all maximum number of commands we are going to close. So we will start from the, you can write, this is not a case sensitive language, so if you want you can write in the capital letter or small letter, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So we will start from the beginning, and I'm going to use a small letter for this. So first of all I will start with the HTML. All HTML files you have to start with the HTML tag, and this is why we use HTML. It is used to create a web pages. So the first is HTML. Inside HTML you can write a command head, and inside head there is a command called title. Why we use this title? To give heading on the top. This is called title bar, which you can see on the top of it. Here you can see the untitled notepad, because I have not saved this file. So this top bar is called the title bar, and if you want to display something here, you will write inside the title tag. So I'm going to write here my first web page, and I'm going to close all my tags. After this I'm going to close my head tag. Now all the body tags, means all the commands we are going to write inside the body. So body के अंदर लिखने के लिए first I have to open this body. So if I will simply create this file, and if I am going to execute this code, it should be colorful. So I will start from the beginning. Body लिखने के बाद I will start here with the color, so that I can give color to my web page. So this is totally up to you. BG means background color. You can give any color to your web page. So right now I'm giving here blue. So blue means I can give background color blue to my web page. Now apart from this, there are some more commands like margin commands, top margin and left margin. That is a part of body tag. So body tag के साथ ही you have to give top margin and left margin. Means if you will give top margin से top से इतना space, अगर 50 लिखा है मैंने, top 50 margin, means from top you can give 50 mark space. And if I will write left margin, means from left hand side you can give 50 space. So that's up to you कितना आप space देना चाहते हो. So I am going to write here top margin equal to 50. 50 means I am talking about pixels. This is called pixels. And the next one is left margin. This is totally up to you. If you don't want to give, you can leave this. This is not compulsory, but if you will give BG color, that will make your page more attractive. So top margin and left margin means top से 50 and left से 50 margin छोड़ के then your text will display here. Now this is my first web page, so I want to write some paragraph or I want to give some heading. So there are different types of heading tags. So I will start from here. I will write this is my heading tags, and there are 6 types of heading tags. छोटे से बड़ा, there are 6 different heading tags. I will start from all the tags. H1, H1 जो होता है that is सबसे बड़ा वाला. So my first heading, this is my, I can say here first heading, and I can close this H1 here. Then I am going to start with H2. You can see the difference. When I am going to execute this file, you can see the difference. H2, then H3 थोड़ा साइज छोटा हो जाएगा. H1 सबसे बड़ा होता है, उससे थोड़ा छोटा साइज H2 का होता है. Then H3. This way जितना आप H6 से ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं जा सकते. You will start from H1 and you will go till H6. So this is my H3. It's compulsory. You have to write all. You have to close the heading tags. Otherwise जो नीचे के बाकी आप tags लिखोगे सबका font size same हो जाएगा. So this is your fourth heading, and this way I'm going to copy this thing, and this is my heading 5, fifth heading. I can write in numbers, and this is my fifth heading, and then at the end this is my last heading 6. So आपके कोर्स में in your course आपके कोर्स में सिर्फ 8 यहीं तक है. So H6 means sixth heading. Let me write here. ये सबसे छोटा size होगा when you are going to execute. So you can give different headings according to your requirement to your page. Now if I want to write one paragraph, so for that I will write here. This is my first web page, and if I don't know what to write, so I can write this is a demo text. So if you are creating some website and you don't know what you have to write, you can simply write this is a demo text, and when you will get the write up, then you can remove this and you can write. So paragraph means your data will display in the paragraph form. Before I will start with some new commands, let me execute these commands, and before that I have to close this body tag, and I'm going to close HTML tag. You have to be very sure when you will save this file, always give extension as .html. So I'm going to click here on the file, then I will click on the save as option, and I will save this file on the desktop, and then I will write here my first web page .html. This is compulsory. You have to use .html extension to save your file, so that if you will not write this .html, by default your file will store in .txt file. So अगर आपको web page बनाना है, it's compulsory you have to save your file in .html extension. Now let me show you the output first. I'm going to minimize this file. This is my web page, and let me see output कैसा आता है, so that I can explain you. And here you can see my output. So this way you can create, means it's very easy, and there are more than 400 commands which you can learn if you want, but I will go according to your course. So till then my page you can see. Yeah, so as I said, there are 6 different types of heading commands. So see, 6th heading सबसे छोटा आ रहा है, and H1 was, you can see the सबसे बड़ा is your H1, then H2, H3, H4, H5. And if you want to write some paragraph, you can use P. and later on we can make the changes. We can change the color also, font color. We will do each and everything. And this is only a simple text which I have written here without any tag, and my first web page which you have written in the title bar. टाइटल में जो आपने लिखा था माई फर्स्ट वेब पेज, यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पर आपका दिखा रहा है. And we have done only few commands, and the background color as you can see blue is there, and the margin is also there. 50 ऊपर से छोड़ा हुआ है, और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से अगेन यू कैन सी 50 स्पेस. अगर ये आप नहीं छोड़ते तो ये यहाँ कॉर्नर से स्टार्ट होता है आपका राइट अप. कंटेंट जो आपका है वो कॉर्नर से स्टार्ट होता है. सो आई हैव गिवन 50 so that it's looking better. Now let's start with some more commands. So before closing body, I will write all the commands. Now I am going to use BR. Why I will use BR? So that I can give space. So suppose if I will write here BR and I am going to create one more paragraph, or if I want to write something, I want to give some line. So I will use HR. Why? HR is for horizontal line. I am going to press Control S and simultaneously I will display output also. So this is for HR, and as you can see there is a gap here. Because of BR you can see this gap. अगर आप BR नहीं देते तो ये gap नहीं आता. And if you will write HR, this HR, so you can see this line here. If you don't want this line you can leave it. Otherwise these are the commands. This is totally up to you. आप कैसा पेज डिजाइन करना चाहते हो. नाउ आई वांट समथिंग शुड बी इन बोल्ड. कुछ भी मैं लिखना चाहूंगी. सो आई विल राइट बी. बी इज फॉर बोल्ड. बोल्ड मीन्स नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट से थोड़ा सा हाईलाइटेड होता है, उसे कहते हैं. आई एम इन बोल्ड लेटर. So I can close this B because B is again your part of container tag, and BR and HR is a part of your empty tag. मैंने इसको बंद नहीं करा, so that's why this is a part of empty tag, and this is rest. बाकी जितने भी coding से I'm closing all the command, or I'm closing all the tags, so all are my container tags. So B means, अब देखना ये normal tag से थोड़ा सा bold होगा. Same way I can use for underline. अगर आप किसी text को underline me, and I have written here you, closed you. Then I means tilde, slightly tilde hoga. So I italic. So I can use this, close this. Now let me save this file using Control S, and when I will press F5 here, you can see my output. I am in bold letter, underline me italic. Underline me is coming with the underline. Italic थोड़ा सा tilde है, and I am in bold letter, but all are coming in one line, but I have written here in different lines. So what should I do? I can write here BR so that my all data and everything will come in different lines. So if I will write here BR, see I am writing BR after every line. So when I will press Control S and now press F5, so you can see it's coming in different lines. So BR means to break the line. If you want something should come in different lines, so for that you can use BR. Now if I want to make my project or my file more attractive, for that I can, these are all part of font, how you can make it more presentable. Now I want to give some different style, so for that I can use font face and Arial, and I see my font style, and I can close also this font. So Control S and press F5. You can see it's looking different from others. See my font style. ये different style में आ रहा है बाकी से comparatively. So this is Arial and rest are I think Times New Roman all are. Now I want to give some size colors. I want to change the size color also. So font size, I can change the size also. So 4 and check my font size, and I can close this font also, and same thing I can do with the color also. If I want to make some, I want to give some different color, so here I am writing white. because blue ke white will looking better. So I am in white, and I'm going to close this also. Control S and press F5. So see, check my font size. इसका size almost same आ रहा है. If you want, I can make it more bigger. Let it be 9, and everything should come in different lines. So again, I have to use BR, or if you want to give HR also, you can use that also. HR. So here is one more command. After this, again, I'm going to use BR, and then again one more HR. So after every line you will get HR and BR option. Control S and F5. So now you can see the font color and font size. Everything is coming different. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video with some more HTML commands. Till then, happy coding and keep practicing.